Hi guys, welcome to my first official YouTube video where I will show you how to make your own junk case or DIY junk case. And let's get started. So first, we need gloves and mask. Also use glasses, but for precautionary reasons I use gloves, especially against UV glue, and a mask when we can use a nail drill. So we'll actually start by preparing all the things and taking our phone case, and we will have set down properly with our nail drill. There are already scratches in it. We can use alcohol wipes or I spray alcohol spray and wipe it with a tissue so that there are no dirt left. What was sanded down next? We will use UV glue. It has to be UV glue so that it works under a UV lamp so it dries properly. So let's pour it in. Let it spread it really well, really all over the cover, so each charms and place them one by one. To put it under a UV lamp, I usually give it about 3 to 5 minutes from top to bottom, depending on how strong your lamp is, how you layered it, and how many charms you have. But it works for me like this, approximately in this time frame, and then we can see the final result. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. So follow for more. Thank you and bye.